How to fix we can't set mobile hotspot on Windows 10. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix not able to set up mobile hotspot on Windows 10. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your laptop. So the very first method is you need to open up your laptop. And on your search bar, you need to type in troubleshooters. Just go to the search bar and type in troubleshooters, troubleshoot or troubleshooter. After that, you just need to open it. After hitting the enter, you just need to open it. And after opening it up, it will this kind of interface will appear on your screen. So here it will take you to settings. So here I just want you to click on additional troubleshooters. Just click on it, and here wait for it to load first. After it is loaded, you'll be able to see network adapter here. So simply tap on network adapter and run the troubleshooter. So this is one of the method. Click on run the troubleshooter. After that is done, you should be able to fix that issue. Otherwise, another method here is first of all, close this tab, and this time go to the search bar again and type in device manager. Just type in device manager, and open. And after opening up, this kind of interface will appear. So I just want you to click on network adapter and click on the newly network adapter that you've installed. So after that, simply tap on update driver. And here browse. After that, you need to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. After that, you'll be able to see this. So here just click on the newly available driver here and tap on next. After that, wait for the driver to be updated. So that is another second method you can use. The third method we can use is hit run or cdr+r and type in service.msc. After typing in that, hit OK, and you'll be able to see this interface. So here, just scroll down a bit, scroll down until you will be able to see internet connection sharing. So it's just double click on it, and you'll be able to see this. So here I just want you to if it is not on manual or automatic, select automatic or manual, and just do that. After that, hit the start and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix your issue. So therefore, these are the methods on how you can fix your mobile hotspot not working on Windows 10. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.